so good. Such good coffee, guys. What is up? Welcome back to the channel. It is that time yet again. We have another mail call. Now, this is a package that I purchased some goods off of Sergeant Mufasa. He actually went out and found some really cool castings that I just wanted for the collection. And of course, they are castings I do collect. So a huge shout out to Sergeant Mufasa for scoring these for me. He did throw in some extras, which I don't know what they are, but he said they could be used for some customs. But let's go ahead and jump straight into the package because I cannot wait to showcase these to you guys. So let's go ahead and open it up. All right, guys, so the cars that he picked up for me were actually a really good price. So that's why I had to pick these up, man. These were just ones that I really wanted for the collection. But like I said, he threw in some stuff in here that I don't know about. All right, so the first one is the Mach 1. Check this out, guys. It is the Bermudez County Police version of the Mach 1. Check it out. It's collector number 179 out of 2002. I could have it, but I'm not 100% sure, and we do. It is right there. Both 5-spoke variations. Looks like silver louvers as well as this one. So there's no variation to it as I see right now, but still a beautiful Mach 1, man. Look at that. So definitely love the Mach 1s, guys. You can never have too many Mustangs in a Mustang collection. Ooh, there we go. Check that out. It's the 2012 Boss Laguna Seca in this really nice red metallic. You got the number 50 meatball on the side and hood with the black and gold stripe. Dude, that is nice. Definitely love this one. You have the chrome PR5s. And just like this one, guys, I am pretty sure I do not have this one. My Laguna Secas are really not that huge of a collection. So where are you guys at? Here we go. So the Laguna Secas only end right here. So there we go. There is the Zamac version of this one. Nice. Definitely new to the collection. Beautiful, dude. Now we have the painted version of the Zamac. Next up, we have a 50-year. There we go. Check that out. Beautiful 71 Mach 1 in the red enamel. You have the gold and yellow stripe running along the side with the chrome 5 spokes. And of course, the legendary Mach 1 hood with those massive ram air scoops. Dude, that is clean. Now, this one I'm pretty sure I do not have either. Here are the Mach 1s. We got the yellow and the 2007 version. Aside from the gold one up there on a short card. All right, let's see. Next up, we have a 67 GT500. Here we go. Really nice red metallic with the black C stripe. You got the black MC5s with the chrome trim and the 428 tampos on the hood. One's kind of worn off already. You do have some hood pins. So there we go, out of Muscle Mania series. Love the fact that I'm getting the onesie and twosie castings. Oh, here are all of my other 71s right here. Oh, I do have it. There it is right there. Okay, so I do have the red Mach 1. Okay, I just got to reorganize this because some of them are in the wrong spot. But back to the 67, guys. The 67 I do not have. Here are all of my 67s, including the 68 fastbacks that are kind of mixed in here. But do not have the red version of the 67 GT500. So here we go. This one I do not have for the collection. So the Mach 1 made number 2, which is perfectly fine. And then next up, it looks like collector number 98 out of 2000. And here we go. This is the 3-spoke variation of the 99 Mustang with the lesser 420 deco. Now, the one I have is right up here, but that one is the 5-spoke variation. And this one was one that I could not get my hands on. No matter where I went, I could never find the 3-spoke version. So 5-spoke and 3-spoke for the lesser 420. And here we go, guys. We finally have the wheel variation to it. And of course, this is just another awesome one that was definitely needed for the collection. Oh, and followed up, he did throw in the 5-spoke variation. So there we go, back-to-back wheel variations. That way you guys can see it up close. One looks a little darker, but it could be because the blister is yellowed. Now, a lot of people have asked why some turn yellow and some don't. Depending on how well you kept it away from the sun can change the color of the blister. So, two variations of the 99 Mustang. Here we go, two Mach 1 color releases. We have the beautiful silver metallic, which is heavy in flake, with the PR5s in chrome. And of course, that one's collector 112. And then you have the recolor, the same deco in the beautiful blue metallic. Dude, check that out, man. Chrome lace wheels, another really cool version of the Mach 1. And this one is on the older card, number 1105. Now, I do have the silver metallic, but the blue metallic is definitely one I don't think I have. So here's the silver one right there, and the blue one is definitely missing from the collection. So here we go, another Mach 1 that is new edition right there. So the silver is a duplicate, blue is definitely one that was needed. So we have some really good ones right here so far, guys. See, collector number 909. See what this is. There we go, the dark bluish purple version of the 99 first edition. Got the tan interior and chrome 5 spokes. This is one I do have. There are a few variations to this one. So if you look right up here, where are you guys at? Right here you have the really rare version with the red interior. And then you have the tan interior 5 spoke. And then you have the 3 spoke with the tan interior. So there are 3 color variations to it. And here is another one. All right, let's see the next two. We got the Butterfinger convertible. It's the 96 vert. I do have this one. I actually have a few. A couple of them are loose, but this blister is in really good condition. Check that out. I think the one I had, maybe I opened it already, was super yellow. Yep, there it is. Right there. This thing is in rough shape. But there we go, we have 2 of them, one's in really good condition, and then followed up by the yellow Mach 1 98 first edition. This one's number 29 of 40 cars, but it's number 670 for the collector number and 744 for the Butterfinger. One that is the hardest to find is the 5-dot variation. That car is going for a lot of cash, and when I mean a lot of cash, I mean it's like a $40 car for a mainline Mach 1 with the chrome 5 dots. Now, it is a very rare variation and I cannot find one. I know my buddy Jeremy did, and I'm trying to see what I can trade for him. But of course, I don't want to take it out of his collection because he also really likes the Mach 1s. All right, let's see. Next up, we have 2 castings in bags. One looks like some type of land speeder or something like that. So this looks like some type of maybe a convention car, or I forgot what this goes into. Maybe a mail-in. Really cool color. You got the nice teal metallic with the gold deco and some numbers on there. It looks like 97. So it's the year that this car was released. 97. You guys gotta let me know down in the comments what that car is for. And we have a second one right here. Check that out. A cool open wheel racer, and you do have a really huge motor sticking out to one side, and the exhaust headers coming out the other, but gold lace wheels, and it says Mystery Car 2000. Nice, dude. That is awesome. That is so cool. I've never seen a mystery car come in a bag like that. See, next up we have a 98 first edition of the Cobra. Now, I do have a few of these in my collection, guys. Loose, carded. There are some slight differences in certain ones. There are a green 11, there's a yellow 11. This one doesn't have the little tampo verbiage right there in the green section. So let's see right here. So it's supposed to say like Cosen, or it's COSEN, but this one doesn't have that verbiage on there. And I do have a couple loose ones we can check. There are 2 right here. This one actually has it's kind of smeared, but a little bit more bold, because it definitely looks like an S on the other one I have. Yeah, COSE Maybe an N? Yeah, that is interesting. This one doesn't have the verbiage or those words right there on the back fender. So this is technically a fender variation or a possible fender variation to the Cobra. Nice. All right, let's see. We got the Walmart exclusive GT500. Of course, it's in that avalanche gray with the really cool black and yellow cam. This is such an awesome release. So I do have one of these, but definitely good to have another one. Definitely love this series, man. The Civic is awesome. The Skyline, I actually have all of these except for the El Camino, but don't really need that one for the collection. But all those other collections that I collect on the side, I do have each one for it. All right, let's see. Next up, we have the Mach 1 in white. Look at that, guys. Dude, that is super clean. Now, the card art is beautiful, but the Mach 1 in this white enamel with the blue hockey stripe outlined in red, that is sweet. So you do have the blue tinted glass, chrome 5 spokes. So this is definitely one needed for the collection. So that is awesome right there, guys. Here are the two I was waiting on. We do have some loose castings right here, but check this out, guys. My man came in with the heat. The 93 Camaro. It's the C-Rex Racer. Got the free milk cap. Dude, this is so cool. It's the cheese and macaroni treasures. And look at that. Awesome blue metallic. You got the C-Rex right there on top, as well as the cheese and macaroni treasures on the hood. Dude, this is awesome, man. This is totally freaking awesome. You know, I have a pretty good lineup of 93 Camaros, and this one right here, man, it's sad to see, but the 99 final run where they retired the 93 Camaro. Oh, just like real life, they are retiring the Camaro, and they even did it in Hot Wheels, man. What does that tell you about the Camaro? They couldn't last the real world, and they couldn't last the Hot Wheels. But they did come back, just like real life, so that's good to see that the Camaros are still coming out, and they're actually coming out with real ones. So that wasn't a dig, that was just me taking a stab at the Chevy guys out there, even though I'm a Chevy guy. But beautiful final run, man. Got the real riders, and of course the final run tampos over that silver metallic. Dude, nice. Definitely a great one for the collection, along with the mac and cheese car, dude. That is so cool. All right, we got some loose castings right here, and then my man did pick up the 50-year Mustang 5-pack. He knew I had this one anyways, but he did pick it up. Beautiful purple fastback Shelby. Then you got the 63 concept in the lime green, the baby blue convertible. Now, there are some of these 5-packs with the baby blue 65 that still have the opening hood. Those are very hard to find. And then, of course, you have the pearl white 2010 GT and then the 69 in that beautiful red metallic. But here we go, another one to add, which I do have right here. So mine is still not the opening hood version. Maybe one day I'll find a sealed 5-pack with it in there. But until then, here we go. All right, and then the last four, guys. Let's see, what is this one? Oh, nice. Oh my gosh, that is nice. Look at that. Dude, the Boss 302 in this red metallic. Dude, that is sweet. Oh my gosh, that is nice. All right, let's see. Next up, opening hood, it sounds like. Ooh. Here we go, opening hood version of the 68 Mustang Fastback. I think this is the same one from the license plate box. It is. Check this out, guys. Same one. Now, this one I did open from the bag that it was sealed in, but I put it right back in here. So this thing is still in mint condition. No chips, no nicks, anything like that. Check it out, so beautiful. And we have one loose, and here we go. Check that out. That is sweet, man. Definitely not a common fastback to find, especially when it's just the regular GT. But the opening hood version, oh, here we go. Check it out. Got some slight details on there, but definitely an awesome one to have loose. Next one, ooh, the 65 2+2 in maroon. You have the gold 10 spokes and gold deco on the side and hood, and of course yellow interior. Now I do have this one loose as well. It might be over here. It means it's over here, which there she is, tucked in between the other 65s and the 2015. But nice, another one for the collection and a potential custom right here. And last one is the California Special. This one's out of Matchbox in this beautiful green metallic. Check that out, man. I love these wheels. I think these wheels are very, very fitting to this casting, and it just reminds me of the 68 Bullet. Kind of, in a way. Definitely not the same green, but I love the wheels that they put on here. So I do have one loose. It's also sitting right between the gold and blue one. And then here we go. So another one for the collection. So Sergeant Mufasa, my man, thank you so much for throwing a couple extras in here. But dude, the 93 Camaros, oh man, these are freaking awesome. This one is definitely my favorite, even though the final run is a very cool casting. I think they could have done a little bit better job for the final run, but still another beauty. This one is awesome. The Mustang variations, which are new, some were duplicates, but definitely needed the red version of the Laguna Seca, needed the Shelby, needed the 3-spoke, needed the blue Mach 1, white Mach 1 was needed, this Tampo version of the 98 Cobra was needed, these right here, and then of course these bags that you threw in here. These are freaking awesome, especially the mystery model. So maybe this is a mystery model car right there. You guys let me know down below. But this right here, guys, is our latest purchase, and it was definitely worth it. So a huge shout out to my man Sergeant Mufasa for sending this package and definitely looking out for me. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up, and of course comment down below your thoughts on the 93s as well as everything else we got in that box. But until next time, guys, this is the Mustang Hunter. Peace.